Sixth-generation fighter aircraft. General concepts explain military aviation is entering a new era. Around the world, nations are exploring ideas for what could become the next major evolution in fighter aircraft design. The sixth generation, unlike previous generations, these future fighters aren't defined by a single breakthrough. Instead, they represent a combination of emerging technologies, artificial intelligence, advanced materials, new propulsion concepts, and innovative mission systems. In this video, we'll explore the general, non-sensitive, publicly known concepts behind sixth-generation fighters and the ideas shaping the future of aerial aviation. To understand sixth-generation aircraft, we first need to understand what a generation means in aviation. A generation is not an official classification. It's a convenient way for historians and engineers to describe major shifts in technology. First-generation fighters introduced jet propulsion. Second-generation fighters brought radar and early missiles. Third generation emphasized maneuverability and multi-role designs. Fourth generation added advanced avionics and agility. Fifth generation introduced integrated sensors and advanced data fusion. Now, as technology rapidly evolves, engineers and researchers are exploring the next step, what might define the sixth generation. Several major aviation programs are developing concepts that fall under the sixth generation umbrella. These include the United States Next Generation Air Dominance Program, Europe's Future Combat Air System, and the United Kingdom's Global Combat Air Program. Although each program has unique priorities, they share common ideas: enhanced awareness, greater automation, improved survivability, and flexible mission capability. These concepts do not involve sensitive details, only high-level goals shared through public statements. One of the major themes of sixth-generation aircraft is enhanced situational awareness. This refers to a pilot's ability to understand what's happening in and around the aircraft. Future aircraft are expected to combine information from many satellites, drones, and beyond into a single, clear picture for the pilot. This expands the pilot's understanding of the environment without overwhelming them. This information sharing concept is publicly known as multi-domain awareness, connecting air, land, sea, space, and cyber environments. A key concept of future fighters is manned, unmanned, or optionally manned. This means the aircraft could operate with a pilot on board or remotely, depending on mission needs. This feature isn't about replacing pilots. It's about flexibility. In some missions, having a pilot may be essential. In others, remote operation may improve endurance or reduce risk. This concept allows future aircraft to be used in more types of operations without specializing in just one role. One of the most widely discussed sixth concepts is the use of drone teammates, sometimes called loyal wingman. These drones would not replace the main aircraft. Instead, they would work alongside it, extending the pilot's awareness and assisting with tasks such as scouting, relaying communications, or carrying mission-specific equipment. This idea focuses on teamwork between humans, aircraft, and autonomous systems. All details presented here are conceptual and publicly discussed. No sensitive data is included. Sixth-generation fighters may use new materials that improve durability, reduce weight, or enhance efficiency. These could include advanced composites, smart materials that adapt to stress, or coatings designed for environmental protection. Airframes might feature smoother shapes, internal systems for reduced detectability, and design flexibility so the aircraft can evolve over time. These ideas are general engineering concepts, not specific construction details. Propulsion is a key part of next-generation aircraft design. Engineers are exploring new engine technologies such as adaptive cycle engines. These engines could potentially adjust their performance to prioritize speed, efficiency, or cooling as needed. Again, these ideas are broad concepts released through public research programs. They do not involve sensitive performance details. With increased onboard electronics, sixth-generation fighters may require more efficient power systems. New concepts explore better power distribution, thermal management, and the ability to run high-demand systems. Managing energy will be just as important as managing fuel. As more technologies are added such as sensors, processors, and potential future equipment, power systems become a foundation of the aircraft's design. These discussions remain high-level and theoretical. Artificial intelligence is expected to play a major role in sixth-generation aircraft, acting as a digital co-pilot. This does not mean AI controls the mission. Instead, AI supports the pilot by processing information, managing systems, or assisting with routine tasks. Think of it as a smart assistant that helps the human operator stay focused on strategic decisions. AI integration is a general concept shared widely across industries of aviation, automotive, medical without revealing confidential details. Unlike older aircraft designed for a single purpose, future fighters may emphasize flexibility. This means the same aircraft could adapt to different missions through modular equipment or software-based upgrades. This allows the aircraft to remain useful for decades as technology evolves. Flexibility ensures long-term value, sustainability, and relevance. As aircraft become more connected and software-driven, cybersecurity becomes critical. Sixth-generation designs emphasize digital protection as a core concept. This includes secure communication, resilience to interference, and strong data integrity. These discussions are general and do not include sensitive security details, only the idea that digital safety is essential for future systems. Many future aviation programs involve international partnerships. These collaborations combine engineering expertise, share research, and encourage innovation. This includes cooperation between governments, aerospace companies, and research institutions. Publicly available announcements highlight the importance of teamwork in developing next-generation technologies. Such collaboration helps reduce costs and accelerate development. Sixth, fighters represent a bold vision for the future of aviation. Rather than being defined by a single breakthrough, they combine a range of emerging technologies: automation, advanced sensors, flexible design, and new materials. These aircraft symbolize the next chapter in aerospace innovation, shaped by scientific research and engineering creativity. Everything explored in this video is conceptual, non-sensitive, and based on publicly available information. Thank you for joining this exploration of future aviation concepts. If you enjoyed this breakdown of sixth-generation fighter ideas, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more aviation content, and leave a comment on what topic you'd like to see next. This channel focuses on safe, educational, and inspiring content about aircraft, engineering, and technology.